Hey guys, so we're gonna do a little tutorial on an 8-page mini zine. Cool. So what you're gonna need is an 8 by 11 piece of paper, your hands, a pencil, and some handy dandy scissors. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna teach you how to make it, and then I'm gonna tell you what to put on it. So we have our piece of paper. In your classwork, I've put a mini zine template. Go ahead and download that and print it out if you want. You don't have to. All you need is a piece of paper. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it in half hamburger style. So not cut it in half, excuse me, fold it in half hamburger style. We will get to the cutting later. It's nice to work on an actual surface, not your leg, but I'm using my leg. Resourcefulness. Remember that word? Resourcefulness. That's all this whole class is about, is gonna be resourcefulness and being creative. And documenting this really cool time period in history. So now that I have this hot dog, we're gonna do hamburger, we're gonna do a hot dog. So now we're gonna do hot dog on this line right here. So we're gonna fold this way and try to get it like close to like even as possible. So you want to have like this lined up with this side. So everything just seems like kind of like uniformed. So everything about it. And it's okay if it goes off your border edge a little bit because of the way your printer works. You might have a margin and you just have to like use your eye to like make it all about the same size. So you want to fold so that this edge, this middle edge, goes to your end edge. So everything's uniform size. Then once we get to here, we're gonna do one more fold right down the middle, and we're gonna fold it, making sure that it's nice and uniformed here. Nice. And then what you're gonna do, so now that we have this like pretty thing, this is what our zine's gonna look like, but it's not quite what it's gonna look like. We're going to simply unfold it. So you have your 8 quadrants of your mini zine. You're gonna fold it again, hamburger style, like your original fold. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your scissors, and then you're gonna cut down the dotted line, or just straight down the middle. So you're only going up to that fold. So when you undo it, it looks like this, right? So we have this nice like fold. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it hamburger style. And you're just gonna crease down one side, or excuse me, hot dog style. And then crease down the other side. So we're at hot dog style right now. And then what we're gonna simply do is push it together like so. So you kind of have this like flowery or this like X, right? And then all you're gonna do is fold it simply. So you have this X. So what we did was we just simply pushed the corners in, and then we just simply go like this. And then you have your pages. So I do have like front cover, back cover, so you can just like fold it however you'd like. It really doesn't matter, but if you want to use the template to do your front cover and your back cover, and then you just simply just like do a nice crease and make sure that you've done a nice job and creasing it so that it's easy to open up like a book. So there it is. You have an 8-page little zine. So that's cool, right? The first page is gonna be your title page. By Cool. So you can like do whatever design you want on here. Perhaps you want to draw something, perhaps you want to print something, maybe you want to collage something. Make a nice like front cover. And then your second page is up to you. I'm gonna give you some prompts, but really I want you to be documenting what you're going through during this quarantine. So some questions I have, which you can find on the classwork, are: what do you do in the morning? What time do you wake up? So you could be like, oh, I wake up at 7:30 a.m. and I go for a walk with my dogs. And then you can talk about, then I eat my breakfast, and you can like maybe even draw your breakfast. And then you're like, cool. And then I go to school and I do my homework. Yeah. And then you can talk about maybe how much you are kind of, this whole thing is kind of weird about this online learning stuff, but it's okay. And then you're like, now I'm going to talk about what I ate for dinner and what television shows I watch at night. And then the end. So it's very, very small. It's not asking too much. It's up to you. You can be as creative as you'd like to be. I just want you to be documenting like what your daily routine is during this like quarantine, and because it's like a really special time in history that we want to document. So we're gonna document it. As soon as it's done, in classwork, you'll be able to find a link that teaches you how to document it. There's a few apps that you'll put on your phone, but you'll just simply take pictures of your weekly zines and then email them to me. So it's pretty straightforward, but I'm here to help. We can always arrange like a meeting or an email or a text message. I am here to support you, and we're gonna get through this together. So do your homework, let me know if you have any questions, and I am here for you. Cool. Assignment week 1, 8-page mini zine is due Friday. Cool. All right. Happy you're here. See you soon.